Welcome to our channel. Today we how Spectrum Maine prorated billing works. What you need to know step by step clearly. First, understand that prorated billing means you pay only for the portion of the month you actually use the service. Check your billing cycle dates on your Spectrum statement, because proration is calculated within that specific cycle. Find your monthly service rate on the bill, since the daily cost is based on that amount. Divide the monthly rate by the number of days in the billing cycle to estimate the per-day charge. If you start service mid-cycle, count the days from your activation date to the cycle end date. Multiply the per-day charge by those used days to estimate your first partial month service charge. Remember that Spectrum often bills in advance, so you may see charges for upcoming days as well. Look for a partial month or similar line item on the statement to identify prorated service charges. If you cancel service mid-cycle, count the days from the cycle start date to your disconnect date. That used days total determines what you owe for that cycle, before any credits are applied. Check whether Spectrum provides a credit for unused days, because policies can vary by plan and timing. If a credit applies, it may appear on the next bill as a negative amount or service credit, separate service charges from equipment charges, because modems and routers can follow different billing rules. Confirm your equipment return deadline, since late returns can trigger additional non-prorated fees. Review one-time fees like installation or activation, because these are typically not prorated. If you change plans mid-cycle, expect proration for both the old plan and the new plan within the same bill. Watch for multiple prorated line items when you upgrade speed, add TV, or add phone service. Check for taxes and regulatory fees, because these can also change when your service dates change. In Maine, local taxes and surcharges may vary, so compare the fee section before and after the change. Use your Spectrum online account to view billing details and confirm the exact service dates billed. Download the PDF statement, because it usually shows clearer date ranges than the quick summary view. If the math seems off, verify the exact billing cycle length, since it can be 28 to 31 days. Also confirm the time your service change was processed, because same-day changes can post at different times. If you moved addresses, check whether a new account number or new cycle date was created, affecting proration. Keep screenshots or emails of your order confirmation, since they show start and end dates used for billing. Call Spectrum support and ask for a billing breakdown, then request the daily rate and bill days. If you're disputing a charge, ask the agent to note your account and provide a reference number. Finally, monitor the next statement to ensure any promised credit was applied correctly. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss more simple billing guides like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.